World Association of Lesson Studies, WALS, International Conference 2022 will be taking place between 20th and 22nd September. My name is Yeap. I'm from Singapore, and I hope you will join me at the conference. The theme of this year's conference is creating lesson study in sustaining community and providing quality education. I would like to thank the organizers for inviting me to deliver a keynote lecture. In my lecture, I'll be discussing various elements of lesson studies and how we can harness each element for teachers' professional development. The title of my lecture is Lesson Study as Professional Development Opportunities. Frameworks and tools that serve as lenses for teachers to study lessons will be presented. We will discuss how this can catalyze and clarify professional learning. Lesson study has been found to be a conduit to teachers' professional development. In this lecture, I will share the various categories of learning that teachers are able to engage in. I hope to see you at the conference.